Yes, Shehbaz. What qualities enable you to become the best cabin crew?
Certainly, ma'am. I will love to answer this question. The quality that make me best cabin crew is I have a time management skills. I'm a multitasker. I'm a passionate about grooming. I'm an approachable person, and I'm a very adaptable person. The reason I call myself adaptable because I have relocated myself from Guwahati to Nagpur to just check my adaptability, and I found out that I'm very adaptable because I can adapt any culture, any place, any food very easily. Last but not the least, I also have 1 year of experience of customer service for Sharma Bakery that make me excellent cabin crew for this profession. And I will make sure I will give a positive impact on this airline. Thank you.